Hello and welcome to Puzzle Master's product review. Today we will be taking a closer look at the double packing puzzle. This puzzle was made by Puzzle Master. Difficulty level of the double packing puzzle is 7 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to fit all 4 parts into the tray. The double packing puzzle was made from laser cut acrylic. It has a black frame and 4 parts of different colors, but the colors has nothing to do with the solution. Each piece in this puzzle has a unique shape. 2 of them they have a letter Z shape, 2 of them have letter S shape, and you can try to figure out which is what. The puzzle is quite tricky, since if you try to put the parts inside, you will find that you can easily put 2, maybe even 3 parts inside of the frame, but there is not enough space for the last piece. And you can try a lot of times, but most of the times you will end up with one piece that doesn't fit until you will find the correct solution, which will be not so easy to find. If you like the double packing puzzle and you wanna buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. Thank you for watching. See you next time.